Hey guys, hope you're well. Going to give you a run through this traditional Brazilian house in Lagoa da Conceição in Florianopolis. This is something of a rarity, a house like this, well located near the center of Lagoa, which also has all the documents neatly in order, which means you can get a golden visa through purchasing this as well, on the market for a great price. So I'm going to give you a bit of a run through. Okay, so look at the exterior. We're gonna go in. So there are 3 bedrooms in total, about 275 square meters of built-up space. So you can already see there's a big space when you come in here, this dining space here. Behind this wall, we have a bathroom here, but also we have an ensuite bedroom as well. So bathroom, good size bedroom. You've got those sort of traditional wooden blinds that you can open up as well. So great size. Let's take a look at the kitchen area as well. So good size kitchen, some building work happening around the back, which you could probably pick up here from there. So look at the kitchen. Okay. So you have some storage area here, and also this kind of service area here in Brazil. You have your washing machine, your tank, and you have this area, this external area that runs around the back of the house. So you have a barbecue here, also this area outside here. You can put your hammock up here as well. So just a bit of a look at that. Let's go back in. Okay, so heading back in, I'm going to get up these stairs here. So main seating area here. I got this great little area here as well. Take a look round. Nice balcony, very peaceful place for a bit of reading. Nice views, very chilled. And the second of our bedrooms is here. So there's a bathroom here. Okay, shower around here. Good sized bedroom. Wardrobes. Air conditioning in all the bedrooms as well. So this is the master bedroom, really good size. So you've got this separate area as well, which you could section off as an office. You could even look at building a separate entrance as well. Great size. And here is the bathroom as well.